Hi y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jacqueline, and today I have extreme satisfying bathroom at the Rugby house. I've been helping out our friends that play rugby, and they asked if I could help them clean because they watched my YouTube video, so I decided to go ahead and help them out. It's a group of 4 guys, I think 4 to 5 guys. One of them just moved out and he had a dog. So I'm helping clean up all this mess. There is a lot of dog hair and everything, but today I'm only going to be doing the bathroom because I didn't realize how long it would take me to take the bathroom from this mess to a nice, clean, satisfying bathroom. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like it, and also leave me a comment and letting me know how you guys like my videos. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe it. I started clearing off the sink and I started to clean it, and then I realized I should start from the top. So I went to the mirror, but then I realized I need to clean the cobwebs from the corners of the walls. So that's what I'm doing right now. I was a little overwhelmed on where to start, so I told myself from the top down to the bottom and then work my way around the room would be the best thing. So right now I'm cleaning out this air vent. It was really gross, but we guys can't forget to clean these. I think this is such an area that we often don't clean because it's out of sight. So I cleaned up their air vent, or their fan, and everything. It was really satisfying cleaning this because I could just see the difference on this fan cover. Some of the cleaning products that I'm using in today's video is an disinfect in my glass bottle. I'm using Zap. That's right here. Make sure if you guys use the Zap, it's a mold and mildew remover. It's very strong, so make sure you have the fans on and your room is able to be vented out so it doesn't get too strong and hurt your guys' lungs. I'm also using Orange Glow for the wood parts of the bathroom. I have bleach, I have some regular washcloths and some microcloths, and I'm also have a Mr. Clean eraser to get some of the scuff marks that I can't get off the walls. I also have a toilet wand, Clorox toilet wand thing that I see some YouTubers use, so I decided to go ahead and use that here in our Rugby house clean with me because I didn't want to use my toilet brush in somebody else's bathtub or bathroom and everything. Sorry, but yeah, I don't really like those. They fell apart and it was really frustrating because I don't understand why the Clorox wands fall apart. When I see others using it, it looks like that it sticks together. I don't know if it's that I'm too strong, maybe. That I'm scrubbing too hard, maybe. I'm not for sure, but I'm not a fan of them. some more cleaning items I'm using for the mirror and the windows. I'm going to be using my vinegar and essential oils solution that I use in my house also, and I use some paper towels. I am not a fan of using paper towels or the disinfect wipes and stuff like those. I try to go zero waste in my household, and I wanted to do the same thing here, but they had so much dog hair all over the place and hair and gunk, so I just decided to go ahead and use the paper towels. It was a lot easier to clean up the gunk and everything with the paper towels instead of constantly rushing all my washcloths and going through all my cleaning supplies. I am also changing out my wash rags. I am not using the same washcloth on every part of this bathroom. I went to Target and I bought that bundle, $5 bundles of cleaning rags. So that's why I'm having different ones. So I don't want you guys thinking I'm using the same one.
Best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors.
I don't know about you guys, but I hate sweat when it runs down my face. That's why I made this face. It's not because it was disgusting. It was the fact that I hate when sweat runs down my face. So I'm going to open up the window and get some fresh air in here, help cool down this room. And right here is where I started using the paper towels. I end up using way too many paper towels than I would like, but it does make it easier to clean up this gunk. Now I'm going to be moving into the shower and bath area. I'm just clearing out everything, and then I'm going to use the Zap on here. And what it says to do is you're supposed to spray it, let it sit for a minute, and then scrub it. So I'm just going to spray the whole area to let this sit to help get all this built up grime on the tiles and everything. And I'm just going to start at one part of the shower from the top down and then make it that way. It's a lot easier for me to just start in one area. I started going all over the place, and then I realized, okay, you know what, one place at a time. I'm sticking my head out the window because it's just so hard to breathe because it's a very strong chemical. If you guys are interested in this, I just picked this up at Home Depot. I've been calling this stuff Zap the whole time. It's Zip. I'm so sorry, guys. This product works really good. I'm not scrubbing too hard. Only thing I wish I would have done is I wish I had a bristle brush to help get in between the grout area. Instead, I am using a sponge from Grove. It's the coconut ones, but I think a bristle brush would have made it go quicker. Decided to go ahead and make this just the bathroom video. I'm going to do 2 parts to the house cleaning. It took me 2 days to clean the bathroom, the dining room, the living room, and the kitchen. I didn't get footage of the kitchen. My camera was too full, so I was really upset about that. And then I got part of the dining room and the living room. So I'm just gonna put that all in one video. I think you guys are still gonna enjoy it. It might be a shorter video than this one, but it's gonna be 2 parts. So look for the second part. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you're able to see it and turn on that notification bell for the next upload. A little bit about the Rugby house. We had met some of the roommates here at one of our local game stores, and we started hanging out by playing board games and card games. And then they had watched my YouTube channel, and they thought it would be cool for me to come and do some footage over there and plus help out there at their house. So 2 of the roommates have moved away, and they just got 2 new ones within the last few months. And so I'm here helping them out, and I hope you guys do like these satisfying. They're going to be very extreme clean with me's and these ones.
You stare into my eyes and it makes you wonder, is she the one I'll take home? I stare right back at yours and it makes me wonder, why is he here all alone?
If you guys are interested in me doing other people's house cleanings, let me know. Our friend had talked to their landlord and told them how much of a good job I did, and he might use me, and he does know I film for YouTube and everything. So let me know if you guys are interested in that. I'll try to get that hooked up where I'm able to get more footage.
It's getting late, but I'm only getting started. And now they're playing my song. You look at me and think, damn, she's broken hearted. But you could not be more wrong. I love going out to where the music's too loud and where the people surround me.
I know this looks weird, but I'm gonna use a paper towel to kind of soak up any water before I try to sweep, because I don't know about you guys, but trying to sweep with the floor being wet, it's really gross.
I'm not your baby. I might be up for a dance. I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no. You're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move in up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby.
Knowing that you're not my baby, but I think maybe you'll reconsider. When I pull up in that brand new thing with the iced out chain and the new chinchilla, and you aim for the heart when you walk down the floor, you a real gal Batman killer. But you
I
ain't
thought this right here was so satisfying, watching this getting cleaned. What do you guys think? It looks really nice.
back on your line. But I'm a real player, never act like you're mine. Leave you disappointed, you gon' act like you're fine. And I see it all the time, so it's best I let my one dance go to the next man. Cause I ain't even gotta be your man, bet I could still leave here as the best man. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move in up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby. I might be up for a dance. I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no. You're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can.
I'm just using bleach here on the floor. I felt like it needed a good disinfect here. I'm also not using a mop because I don't want to spread any of this germs from here into the other parts of the house. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hand mop the bathroom floor.
Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight.
Okay, my friends, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to it. Also, give me a thumbs up. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you the before pictures and then right after that, the after pictures. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this and get tons of motivation. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed this.
Even though I changed, really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Start a life in the country, I could say yes to that. Whatever way you want me, I'll learn it all and I'll adapt. Even if I changed up everything except my name, we will still be Friday. Cause I am still the same. I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I try to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, cause I'll still be the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, cause I'll still be the same.
Thank you guys. Have a great day.
Something stayed the same. Wanted to do better.